If you want to set astronomy wallpaper on your iPhone 16e, first of all open up your settings, then we have to scroll down to our wallpaper section. There it is. Alright, now let's press new, or you can customize your current wallpaper theme. So swipe to the new one, press plus, and here we gotta choose our astronomy. Yeah, here's our astronomy. So now choose from one of the following wallpapers. For example, let's choose this one, pretty classic. Now let's give all the necessary permissions. So now you can choose a style of it, right? As you see, there are many different variants. Choose the one you like. You can adjust your widgets, right? You can add up some more widgets if you want. You can adjust your clock, font, color, style, transparency, and so on and so forth. When you're satisfied with everything, let's press add. Now choose how you want to set it, as a wallpaper pair or customized home screen. I'll set it as a wallpaper pair. And now we have it. We have it and we can use it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.